The reason why I applied to this internship because I wanted to get more experience in technology.
The reason I applied for this internship instead of another job was because it had technology in it. It was something I was interested in going into the workforce for.
One of my favorite experiences definitely was support tech. They're pretty cool. I like them a lot. Warehouse is close second because the people in there are great, but it's just like, you know, it's a bit, quiet in there.
One of my favorite experiences from this summer was definitely, I believe, going on field trips with the other interns. That was really great. Being able to hang out with them, share our different experiences. That was great.
After high school, I planned to go to college at NC State.
After high school, I think I'm gonna go to a college like NC State or NCA&T for computer engineering or automotive skills, something like that.
After high school, I plan on going to college. I'm looking at NC State, Georgia Tech, and Virginia Tech.
I plan on going to a university after high school. I plan on going to NCA&T, UNC Charlotte, or NC State for computer engineering or cybersecurity.
I think I'm going to use the things I learned this internship throughout the school year and my life because note-taking. I didn't realize how important that was to me. I don't do it in school, or I didn't used to, and I think I'm gonna do it this year. I think it's gonna help me get better grades in classes, and listening to people asking more important questions, things that you don't know the answer to. I think that's important.
I'll probably apply what I've learned from this internship, in school, just time management and how to work with other people.
I would like to say that in this internship, it's a great learning opportunity for learning new things about different departments. It's a great way to just learn a whole bunch of new stuff.
Just so you know, there's a lot of work, dude. There's a lot of work. You actually gotta do some work. You're not just getting paid to do it. You're doing work, a lot of it too. Make sure you have fun. Just make sure you have fun doing it. That's all I gotta say.